To use Amtrak mobile ticketing, start by downloading the Amtrak app from the App Store on your mobile device. Once the app is installed, create an account or log in if you already have one. This will allow you to access your ticketing information and make reservations. Next, select the trip you want to take by entering your origin and destination stations, as well as your travel dates. The app will then display a list of available trains and their corresponding schedules and fares. Choose the train that best suits your needs and proceed to the payment section. In the payment section, you can use a credit or debit card to pay for your ticket. You can also apply any discounts or promotions you may be eligible for, such as student or senior discounts. Once your payment is processed, your ticket will be displayed in the app. Your mobile ticket will include your name, the train number, and the departure and arrival stations. It will also have a QR code that you can use to board the train. To board, simply show your mobile ticket to the conductor, who will scan the QR code and verify your ticket. It is a good idea to make sure your phone is fully charged before your trip, as you will need to display your ticket to board the train. You can also add your ticket to your mobile wallet for easy access. Additionally, you can use the app to check the status of your train, as well as to make changes to your reservation if needed. By following these steps, you can easily use Amtrak mobile ticketing to purchase and display your ticket, making your travel experience more convenient and efficient. The Amtrak app also allows you to access other features such as booking hotels and rental cars, and tracking your reward points. Overall, using Amtrak mobile ticketing is a simple and straightforward process that can save you time and hassle when traveling by train.